Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to restore your backup while installing Windows 11 on a new PC or while resetting your PC. Windows Backup is a cool feature that stores all your preferences, OneDrive files, and system settings with your Microsoft account. So, if you have previously backed up your settings and all other data using the Windows backup feature, you can restore it while installing or resetting your PC. Here's how to do it. And you can see that I chose the I don't have a product key option. I'll pick a Windows edition and click on next. Agree to the EULA and pick the custom Windows installation option. I'll delete all the partitions that I have on my drive, but you can choose not to and just pick the C drive, format it, and then choose it for installation. Click on the next button. Windows will start copying files. Since I have a SSD, the process is comparatively faster, but it can take some time for you while the Windows installs. Now the PC will automatically restart and then boot to the out-of-box experience page. Pick your region and click on the yes button. Now pick your language and keyboard layout. You can skip it. Now wait for Windows to check for updates. This process can take up 5 to 10 minutes. After that, Windows will ask you to pick an option set up for personal use if it is a personal PC. Then click on the sign in option. Now input the same Microsoft account that you used on an older PC and that is tied to the Windows backup. Click on the next button. Enter the password, the Microsoft account password. Now click on the sign in button and it will automatically display the restore options that are available. You can see that I have a restore option that I created a backup on May 23. Click on view more options if you have multiple PCs that use the same Microsoft account, and you can pick anyone. Now click on the next button after picking the backup. Now you have to create a PC pin that you will use while logging into the PC. I'll choose all these privacy settings and turn them to off because I don't need Microsoft tracking anymore. And this is all the promotional stuff that you should surely skip if you don't want to clutter your start menu and your PC. Despite this, Microsoft will install some bloatware on your PC, but it is good to skip these options. Now we have to wait until the PC boots to the final desktop screen. It will take some time. Now, as soon as you boot to the desktop, you will get an option to restore your apps from Microsoft Store. Click on the pop-up and you will be redirected to the Microsoft Store. It is very easy to restore all your apps in one go because when you open Microsoft Store, it will display you all the apps that you can restore at once. Since I only had PowerToys on that desktop as a third-party app, it shows only that. Just click on the restore all option and it will reinstall the app. Similarly, all your OneDrive settings, all your account settings, PC settings, all will be imported from that backup. I'm trying to restore PowerToys. You can see that the OneDrive is backed up and accounts are signed in. My region is same, even the preferred languages already exist. So this is how you can restore from a Windows 11 backup. That's all for this video, guys. Do like and share this video with others who will find it helpful. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel